Full stack AI seems to be replacing the term vertically integrated. Elycium is absolutely our mission. That is absolutely our mission, to have a full stack AI and vertically integrated AI and robotics company where we basically design, build, and then our customers live autonomously, where we basically ideally will end up owning the home ecosystem. Now, that doesn't mean that everything is by us. So what we will do is we'll have suppliers and tools. Companies like Nvidia, Autodesk have got the data of every drawing in the world basically ever done. They're going to do something great with AI in the future. So you're not trying to replace any of these enormous players. You're leveraging them as suppliers. Archistar, who we spoke about last week, is an Australian company. And then we have suppliers. We're looking at carbon fiber reinforced concrete, which is lighter than concrete, has better results around earthquakes and other things. And you can also do more architecturally impressive things. Another tool that we're going to have is BuildPass. And then companies like Tesla and Apple are getting involved in the home automation and living space. What we are removing, though, is, I believe, in the future, the traditional subcontractors, maintenance workers, and almost the home hired help. Those are the ones that we're trying to eliminate to get rid of all that fragmentation and all those extra people in the loop and the experience. And if you could just look at it, the thing that I imagine, and a lot of creativity and innovation lately is coming out of sci-fi. You know, you hear a lot of founders basically saying, where are you getting your inspo from? And it's sci-fi. For me, if you were to try and picture what I've just spoken about, I would look at like the Tony Stark house from Iron Man, from Marvel, and just think about what his house looked like and how he interacted with his home and all the different robots he had rolling around. That is kind of what I see the vision as, and I want the consumer experience to be one of where they just speak to our firm. So they have one point of contact, we control the ecosystem from start to finish, and then we have a subscription model where to keep your home autonomous, you have to maintain it, and ideally that is almost, then it becomes almost like that SaaS type model.
Incredible. It's very sort of Elon with Tesla. You just go direct to the company, you cut out the dealership, you can buy the car online, you can go see it in a shopping center or wherever it might be, and one day the car is going to drive itself to your home once you've purchased it. And he's also vertically integrated everything. He does the chips, he owns the manufacturing line, he produces a lot of the parts himself, they own the software layer and the operating system, and he's totally vertically integrated that. So I think I agree, full stack is another term for vertically integrated, but in the AI world, and it's more of a techie term. Going full stack, if you're talking about a full stack software developer, it's someone who can do the front end, the things that you see, the back end, the logic. Now AI just does it all.